सौतेकाई, पाइनएप्पल, चुरमुरे, गूगल पे, फोन पे, पेटीएम।
ये क्या है आपका? ये क्या बना रहा है? सिल्क का ना? अच्छा, आप लोग यहाँ से सप्लाई करता है? पूरा बेंगलोर में भी करता है?
इधर सामने खोलेगा।
Good morning guys, I'm Richo and welcome back to my channel. First of all, I would like to thank you all for showing me huge support in my previous video. It means a lot to me. So today I'm going for another waterfall. It's a small trek to the waterfall, and the waterfall name is Chunchi Falls. It's about 80 kilometers from Bangalore and it's in Kanakapura District of Karnataka. The trek is, I think, barely 1 kilometer towards the fall, and you have to go all downhill. So I think it's gonna be fun. Start of the trek. It is so hot outside, but luckily we are amongst the nature, and then we have a nice sad. Oh, it feels good. This is my friend Rajesh, and he is Sanjeev. By the way, nature, thank you for this sad. Guys, plant more trees. Early morning treks are really good, yeah. Far away from Bangalore, feeling good. Trek towards the fall is all downhill. If anyone is coming here, you should come with proper shoes because the trek is little bit difficult. Guys, you can hear the flow of the river. Guys, this is Chunchi Falls. It's not really big, but it's very beautiful, and I think the trek is also not very long. It's a small trek from the place you park your vehicles. Maybe you can pass through. Now we are heading back. You can see the falls behind me. And now it's all upward climbs. On the way to the waterfalls, you will find small vendors like this. So you don't have to worry about carrying water and all the way from Bangalore. You can buy from these vendors, and also you can see they're working so hard. Maybe a little support from us will be very good. So I'm with a local vendor out here. दीदी आप लोकल हो? आप यहाँ पे कितना टाइम से काम कर रहे हैं?
ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 7 o'clock ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ 6:30.
6:30. दीदी क्या क्या आपके पास? क्या क्या है?
ಮ್ಯಾಗಿ, ಎಗ್ ರೈಸ್, ಆಮ್ಲೆಟ್, ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಮ್ಲೆಟ್, ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ, ಪೈನಾಪಲ್, ಚುರ್ಮುರಿ, ಗೂಗಲ್ ಪೇ, ಫೋನ್ ಪೇ, ಪೇಟಿಎಮ್. हाँ भैया, ಕೂಲ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ಸ್, ಮಾಜಾ, ಮೆರಿಂಡಾ, ಸ್ಪ್ರೈಟ್, ಥಮ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್, ಬಟರ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್, ಬನಾನಾ, ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ.
Finally we have come back to the parking place. Some more buttermilk. It's really hot, man. I think you need to keep yourself hydrated. It's the best way. Guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. And if you're a first time visitor, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.